Alright, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to take antiderivatives of certain functions. Alright, so to start off, let's just give an example of a function that you could take the antiderivative of. So for example, 3 plus 3x minus 6x cubed. So that's the first problem I'm going to do. So the idea behind functions such as these is that when you see pluses or minuses between each term, you just take the antiderivative of each part. So basically, you're just going to take the antiderivative of 3, you're going to take the antiderivative of 3x, and take the antiderivative of 6x cubed. So the antiderivative of 3 will be 3x. The antiderivative of 3x would be, the rule behind this when you take an antiderivative of things such as these is x n plus 1 over n plus 1. So this rule is basically saying that you add 1 to the power and put it over the power plus 1. So, for example, in this case, 3x is being raised to the power 1, so you add 1 to the power, 3x plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2 over 2. So that's the antiderivative of 3x. And just to make sure, so to make sure that you got the correct antiderivative, you just take the derivative of this. So let's take the derivative of 3x squared over 2. Just move this to the side real fast. 3x squared over 2. When you take the derivative, as we know, you bring down the power and subtract 1. So you bring down the power, 2, 3x to the power squared, right? Over 2. From here, multiply in, you get 6x to the first over 2. Alright? And then 6x over 2 is 3x. So that was correct. That is the actual antiderivative of 3x. That antiderivative of 3x is x squared over 2. So now let's take the antiderivative of 6x. So the antiderivative of 6x, we use the same rule. We add 1 to the power and put it over 1 to the power. So that would be 6x to the 4th over 4. And that is the antiderivative of 3 plus x, 3x minus 6x cubed.